Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. I'm Kenzie, and you should hit that like and subscribe button right down below. So today we are doing a clean my closet with me. Super duper exciting. I do not talk during this video at all. You literally just watch me clean my closet. I wanted to try it a different way because last time I did a clean with me, I did like where I'd stop and I would talk. And it took forever to edit, and I just wanted something to try different. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Follow me on Instagram, kenzie.marie02. Yeah, hope you enjoy. guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button down below. Turn on the little notification bell so it notifies you every single time I upload. Follow me on Instagram, Kenzie.Marie02. And I'll see you next video, guys. Bye!